Well guys, if you followed in the other videos of this same weekend adventure where I've done some filming, you know I just got back from a quick hike down a decommissioned road, and honestly just kind of, nature retook it. I think it is still kind of a game trail, but there's too many down trees to even be a mountain bike trail or anything like that. So don't think anyone's been using it. The view kind of winds around the corner, but you don't really get any better view of the mountains. I may try some of the ridge roads for tomorrow night for another camp. But I feel like Andrew St. Pierre White out of Australia now, formerly South Africa, having myself a Coke. I happened to find it in the cooler when I was roaming around for some lunch and some snacks. Just had a quick protein bar. This video, however, is about this little table. Now, this little table I've had since before Christmas time. I believe I was even on Wildland Fire when I started the conversation, and this guy approached me as an Amazon seller. I'm going to butcher his name. It's EDEUOEY. You'll see the links down below. Affiliate links down below. And he approached me and asked me if there's anything on his store that looked interesting. Well, honestly, most of the stuff was like cheap little lanterns and things of that nature. And I just kind of almost said no. And then I saw this little table. And although I still have plans to try to incorporate a larger table for cooking outside, things of that nature, so we're not always in the bus and having somewhere to go, it is really nice to have something that's not on the ground. If you guys watched the video review of this front runner chair, which I love, but in that video review I basically said these pocket things are useless. If I'm trying to put this drink in there, that doesn't fit. I could probably fit a beer, but it always feels like it's gonna fall and tip over. I never use these pockets on the side for anything, not even to store a cell phone or anything. They're just too small, they're useless. I wish they would just probably get rid of them. I could probably cut them off, but I never use them. And so you end up putting it on a log or on the ground, which isn't the end of the world. But I've had times where it's just nice to kind of prep a meal and cook that's a little bit off the ground. Having a place I've edited out here in the middle of the wilderness by putting my laptop on there so the laptop fan isn't sucking in a lot of the dirt and the dust, and I've got a nice aluminum surface to help keep the laptop cool. If you guys know, at rendering videos, they heat up laptops really, really fast, especially if you don't have, $3,000 gaming laptop that's got extra fans and cooling. I try to keep the bottom of that thing pretty cool when I'm doing editing work. So I'll probably try to put in some footage of me setting this up a few times. It's pretty simple. The basics are that the top plate is an accordion aluminum piece, and it's been very sturdy. Honestly, the reason I've waited to do this review is because there's a lot of bungee cord elastic material that goes into holding these together. The legs are very lightweight. However, when they lock all together into their form, when you flip the top lid over, they're quite sturdy. So it isn't like it feels like it's going to fall apart. I would put a cast iron pan on here. I would put a lot of heavy stuff, and no worries about whether this thing's going to fall over. It's very stable because it's still fairly low to the ground. It's kind of a side table. Again, I'm going to put links down below. I've been very happy with it. It's almost summertime, so if you guys are looking for Father's Day gifts or things to add to the back, this thing literally is about the size of that, all rolled up into a tiny little pouch. It doesn't take up much room at all, so I've been very happy with it. I'm going to enjoy this view, cool off a little bit from my hike, and finish my Coca-Cola. Cheers to you, Andrew. Thanks for watching, guys. 100 Beast, signing off. We'll see you down the road.
Thanks for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow the adventure on social media, and we'll see you on